it's done absorbing. There it goes.
Oh yeah, it's moving. It's kind of creeping me out.
Did you get it on the video?
Sometimes they can see it.
For you. Thank you. Oops, sorry. Sorry, guys. Thank you. And this is for you. Okay.
Okay, here we go. Let's try this. Sometimes they can see it. Okay. Alright, let's eat. We're gonna drink some sake with this. I thought they put like a whole small octopus. No, you eat the rest. Not bad at all. Eating this at Michigan Fumi. Yeah, try some. It's good stuff. You gotta try the Vietnamese squid. You ever tried that?
Pepper syrup.
Vietnamese squid. Did you order that too? Wow.
So yeah, that's this kind of thing. They put it on, it absorbs the moisture, and then it starts moving around as it gets moisturized. So it almost seems like it's alive.